Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how you can alter your jeans in less than 5 minutes. The items that you need will be on the screen. First, you need to sew 2 buttons an inch away from the jeans button. Like I did right there. After that, make a straight line cut beside the 2 buttons. Make sure you made the line inside the jeans and not the outside. Cut holes in the elastic and put safety pin through it. Put the elastic through the hole you made in the jeans. The holes you made in the jeans, put the elastic around the buttons to secure it from falling out. After that, you're done, and there is your perfect outer jeans.